At 4 a.m. someone tried to open my car doors right outside my home. And guess what? I only found out because of my security cameras and Home Assistant integrations. Thanks to my Home Assistant security automation, an alarm was triggered and I was woken in real time when it happened. Inside, the siren went on, lights turned on automatically in the house. But what can I improve to make this better? Leave a comment with your security setup. That's exactly why home security should be the first thing you automate in Home Assistant. Why security comes first? Let's see in this episode. When people start with Home Assistant, they often focus on automating lights, turning on music, or making things more convenient. But let's be real, safety should come first. A smart home isn't just about comfort, it's about protecting your home and family. And today I'm gonna show you the best devices and automations you should set up first to keep your home secure. So let's see what simple devices can you get to start building your security in Home Assistant. Number 1. Smart door and window sensors. This can detect if a door or window is open when it shouldn't be. For instance, this can trigger a siren alarm, send a notification to your phone, turn on a light to alert you. Number 2. Motion sensors. This can detect movement outside your door or near windows and doors. If unwanted movement happens, this can trigger a siren alarm or turn on outdoor or indoor lights. Number 3. If you have cats or dogs. For motion sensors, PIR sensors are not familiar with differentiating between humans and animals. Smart cameras, local or cloud-based. There are a lot of choices out there, but before you buy, make sure it supports Home Assistant integration. This could help a lot because you can trigger alarms from devices you have from different brands. Smart lights, smart relays, or smart light switches. In my case, I have some Zigbee lights, but I will change soon to smart switches. They are simple and highly effective. For instance, if motion is detected outside, like in my case, turn on the indoor lights after 1 minute to make it look like someone just woke up. 6. Sirens and alarms. Audible warnings when someone enters your property. This is very important to scare the intruder. So let's say an automation idea, trigger the siren immediately when motion is detected or a door is opened at night. You could use some smart locks. This can remotely control your door locks from anywhere. For instance, you can never forget to lock the door. Automate it based on the time or presence. The night my family and I were lucky. My security setup worked, I was notified, and I woke up in time to check the situation. But could I improve it? Absolutely. Let's see what worked well. I got a notification on my phone, the alarm went on, and the light turned on like someone just woke up. And that scared the intruder. But what can I improve? I plan to invest in higher quality cameras because, as you saw, the resolution on my current cameras wasn't great. While the footage lost some quality during editing, the original resolution still needs improvement, especially for better nighttime accuracy. Upgrading to a higher resolution camera with enhanced night vision will make a big difference in capturing clearer details. And I can add some vibration sensors on my windows in case someone breaks the glass. And of course, a fierce dog could help. My golden retriever was sound asleep when this happened. So if you're just getting started with Home Assistant, I highly recommend organizing your automations, prioritize safety first, start with motion sensors, door sensors, and cameras, build automations to notify you, trigger alarms, and scare off the intruders. What would you add for security improvement? Let me know in the comments below. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for more home automation tips. Thank you for watching. Till next time.